Long before the Raccoon Bros, before Von Malice, and before the Fury Roach, tiny Kitten Ninja battled much tinier foes. Hey, everybody has to start somewhere, right? Before he was the protector of Metro City, he was absolutely adorable. Look at that fuzzy-wuzzy belly. Of course, you can be adorable and a fierce warrior. Right, Kitten Ninja? A ninja must always keep an eye out for danger. You never know when a villainous plot might be afoot. Afoot? Get it? What is it, Kitten Ninja? Do you sense danger? Oh, no! Is it a sneaky snake or a wily worm? You got this, Kitten Ninja. It is the ball of yarn. A ninja waits for the perfect moment to attack. Well done, Kitten Ninja. It seems that our foe is not going to give up without a fight. Oh no! It is getting away! You have tangled with the wrong ninja, ball of yarn. What will you do, Kitten Ninja? Very crafty, Kitten Ninja. It is okay to pause and assess the situation. When you are ready, Kitten Ninja. Go, Kitten Ninja, go! No worries. A ninja is trained for all kinds of slippery situations. It seems you have found our villain. The ball of yarn has been transformed into the blanket of yarn. Well done. I knew it. The ball of yarn never stood a chance against Kitten Ninja.